Hello friends, myself I am Anupam Mukherjee. I am going to demonstrate one of my project in data science using R. The title of the project is World Happiness Report on year 2015. Each country's happiness score is calculated by summing up 7 other variables in the table. Each of these variables reveals a population weightage average score on a scale running from 0 to 10, that is track over time compare against over countries. These variables are economy, family, health, freedom, trust, generosity, and dysopia, and I shall concentrate on the final happiness score to demonstrate the technical aspect of our language. Set the working directory and load the word happiness dataset of year 2015. After loading, the dataset is displayed like that. Then I drop the field standard error and again execute this part, drop the field standard error, and show the number of distinct region like West Europe, North America, Australia, New Zealand, Middle East, and North America. These are the different regions. Then add feature column continue with NA in the existing data set that will display in this dataset part. Next, I calculate the mean average, all the numerical fields feature continue, and for visualization add the following library files: ggplot2, correlation for core plot, and display all the summary report, country wise, economy, GDP, region, and all this part are displayed. And from this display we can conclude that the maximum score is 7.587 and the minimum score is 2.839, and maximum GDP is 1.609, health life expectancy is 1.02, and freedom is 0.666. And display the top 10 countries with their happiness rank. That will actually display the top 10 country in the happiness rank. Display the data set. Then conclude the head display 10 top 10 countries of 8 Western European and 2 from Australia and New Zealand region. Then display the top 10 countries with their latest happiness rank. These are the top 10 countries from Africa and other part. So then happiness score of each, that is Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, etc. Happiness score is actually shown in this graph. Then conclusion: Australia, North America, and South America are the happiest country, and Africa, Asia are the least happiest country. Then calculate the country among all numeric variables and plot the correlation diagram based on the numerical features. Then we understood that GDP, family, health, freedom, then happiness score of the for regions and countries are displayed over here. Then conclusion: North America 2 countries are the most happiest, and Australian 2 countries, and West European 21 countries, and unhappiest countries are Sahara Africa 40 countries. Then content wise happiness score is displayed over here. That is conclude that Europe is the happiest country and Africa is the most unhappiest country. Then we display scatter plot of life expectancy, and that conclude that Europe and South America have strong correlation and Africa has near neutral. Then we displayed scatter plot freedom. That will actually conclude Europe and South Africa, Europe and South America have positive correlation. Africa is more poorer correlation. Then we display scatter plot for family, and the family conclude that Europe and South America have the positive correlation. Then scatter plot for trust on government. Then Asia, Africa, South Africa have trust, least trust, and Europe has the mixed trust. Then happiness score for regions and countries. So Then scatter plot for economy, which actually depicts that happiest have the highest correlation and least happiest has the lowest correlation. Then scatter plot for family and scatter plot for health. Then health actually indicates that least happiness has low correlation, happiest data is not related to health. Then scatter plot for freedom and scatter plot for trust on government, scatter plot for generosity, and scatter plot for dystopia and residual. So then world map GDP 2015 is depicted over here, and then world map for health expectancy 2015 is depicted over here. Thank you. These are all actually I have implemented through the learning process from Skyfi lab. Thank you for assisting me.